And so what's your favorite thing what do you enjoy most about being a member?
To be local and have all of this just right down the street. Even the shopping, as well as the new exhibits, things that change, and some of the things that stay the same that we get to come back and see.
Classic favorites.
Yeah.
Yes, and meeting the artists and hearing them talk about their inspiration and then seeing their finished pieces is fascinating. They're all so different, their ideas are so different, and seeing them in person has really been wonderful.
Join our museum member community to enjoy free admission and exclusive event invites, connect with curators and artists, and to support arts and sciences. Give the gift of membership, and your friends and family will enjoy an entire year of amazing experiences at the Corning Museum of Glass.